Good morning, Coach Jin Bulag of Anarchy MMA. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. And salamat doon sa mga na-invite ko na mag-follow kasi deactivated yung isang account. Today, this morning, I will show you the blade that I owned. Made by Hanyan Blade. I owned this for 4 years now. If you can see that the design is very native. Hanyan Blade is located in Baguio City. They are the locals, they're the native, the Igorots. I have one problem here when I received this because this is maluwag, no? So I added magnet inside, so hindi siya mahugot. And quick release. Now, the blade is very nice. The spine is thick. It's like I think it's at least 3 to 4 mm. It is a walking cane stick. And I had the magnet installed when I received this, so for a quick release. The blade is very light. Handle is just right for the grip. And if you want this kind of blades, just check their Facebook page, Hanyan Blades, and you can see their creations on their Facebook page. No? So there you go. Blade, you can use this as shield or another impact tool. Hindi ko alam kung saan gawa yung kahoy, but parang yakal siya kasi matigas. So Hanyan Blades, check their Facebook page. Good morning.